Hi guys, this is lesson 12 for grade worksheet. The first page is the order of operation, and we need to find the answer to each question. And let's do number 1. And number 1 question is parenthesis 28 divided by 7 minus 4 divided by 90 divided by 38 divided by 128. And we need to do parenthesis first. So 28 divided by 7 is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. And so divided by 90 is 0, and this is all 0. So number 1 answer is 0. And lesson number 3, 4 times 3 times 8 times 2 minus parenthesis 3 divided by 3. So we need to do parenthesis first, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 times 3 is 12, and 8 times 12 is 96, and 96 divided times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12, and 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19, and 192 minus 1 is 191. So 191 is answer for number 3. And lastly, let's do number 5, 23 plus 32 plus 18 plus 18 times 4 times 9. So we need to do parenthesis first. 23 plus 32 plus 18. So 23 plus 32 is 55, and plus 18 is 73. And we got 73 in here. And we need to do multiplication second. 18 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. And 4 times 1 is 4. And 3 is 7. So 72 times 9 is 18. 63, 64. So 648 plus 3 is 73 is 721. And let's do next page. Next page is multiplication, and we need to find the content. And let's do number 1, 136 times 55. 5 times 6 is 30. And 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5, and add 1 is 6. And it's same thing to 10 place. So we get 6,800. And we need to add this number, we get 0.8417. So 7,480 is for answer for number 1. And let's do number 5. 526 times 43. 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 times 3 is 6, and add 1 we get 7, and 3 times 5 is also 15, and 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, and 5 times 4 is 20. So we get 20. And add this number, we get 57522. So this is the answer for number 5. And lastly, let's do number 10, 250 times 28. 5 times 8 is 40. And 2 times 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 2 times 2 is 4. So add this two number, we get 7000. So 7000 is the answer for number 10. And this is the last page for this lesson. And lesson number 1. Mr. Kim spent $2,080 on the shopping trips. Mrs. Park spent $125 less than Mr. Kim. How much money did they spend altogether? So we need to make equation. So 2080 plus Mrs. Park spent $125 less than Mr. Kim. So make parenthesis 2085 minus 125. And we need to do this first. 2085 minus 125. And we get 5 minus 5 is 0. And 8 minus 2 is 6. And make 1, give 10. And 10 minus 1 is 9. So Mrs. Park spent $1,096. And we add 2085. We get 5, 4. So $4,045 they spent.